EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for August 22nd, 2022. It is Monday and back to work. The Monday video forecast is proudly sponsored by Kinsley's Family Market in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Kinsley's is the world's largest ShopRite, and the ShopRite logo means they're all about food, they're all about savings, and they're all about you. Labor Day is coming up very shortly, but we still have a month of summer left. And Kinsley's is not only just about great food, but also they have summer items in stock, like gas and charcoal grills, patio sets and umbrellas, gazebos, Adirondack chairs, Intex pools, and air conditioners and fans. Stop by the world's largest ShopRite and gather those summer items so that you can enjoy the remainder of your summer in style. They are Kinsley's ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania. Proud sponsors of the Monday video forecast. So today we finally have some rain. It's actually started overnight. Some showers. This is not going to be a deluge today, but we'll take what we can get. And I was talking about this in the last couple videos that I did. It's not going to be a tremendous amount of rain, but some areas might get under some of these, heavier showers and with high precipitable water content that we're dealing with today and through this evening. It actually started last night. That any one of them can produce some heavy rain, and it's possible, localized, you get some heavy rain out of that. So some of you will get lucky today, but it's not going to be a deluge and a widespread deluge of rain today. But we'll have opportunity for pop-up stuff this afternoon, even after the main batch of the precipitation ends, and there'll be some scattered thunderstorms mixed in with that. They'll go through the course of the evening. As we get over the NAM High-Res Future Simulator Radar, I'm going to start this off at 8 o'clock in the morning. I do want to caution, though, this is what the NAM thinks the radar is going to look like, or very similar to it. It's probably not going to look exactly like this, but it's trying to give the idea of where the best opportunity for scattered showers are going to be here at this point. And there could be some embedded thunder. There's actually low pressure in the eastern Great Lakes that's going to be very slowly moving eastward through PA and eventually going into New England. This is with the associated warm front. There's a warm front that's kind of sitting like this, moving off in this direction. So this is all activity ahead of the warm front that's going through this morning. Okay. So move this forward. You'll see that lifting off to the north, and again, there could be some heavier stuff mixed in with this, and it's especially across the Poconos and northeast PA here as we go through the course of the morning. And then look what happens. You get into the afternoon. We're going to have a lot of cloud cover this afternoon, and we're expecting a lot of cloud cover today. So it's going to keep the temperatures down a little bit, but so it's going to also keep a lid on the severe weather threat today too, because with all that cloud cover expected. But there will be some more stuff developing behind this. Once the main stuff moves forward, you can see this stuff just continuing to develop behind it, and that can pop up just about anywhere within a region. The best chance for anything today is going to be north and west of I-95, which kind of runs like this. So you're going to have anywhere in the interior having a better chance at seeing some of this later activity this afternoon and this evening. And when I say evening, I don't just mean dinner time evening. I mean the entirety of evening. Evening is between 6 and midnight. That is evening. So anytime up until about midnight, you have this opportunity. And see, when one batch goes through, even more developing behind it. This is looking at 8 o'clock in the evening, and this goes all the way up until about midnight or thereabout before it finally dwindles and goes away. We will have a parting shot here on Tuesday as that system pulls into New England and the upper level low moves through. You could have north of I-78, up near I-80 and places like that, a passing shower during the afternoon and early evening on Tuesday. I think elsewhere you're going to remain dry, however. And you can see that here on the European model as well. Just has it across our far northern areas, north of I-78, but probably right in and around the I-80 corridor here on Tuesday. Otherwise, we are back to partly sunny skies here on Tuesday. Temperatures are going to increase a little bit, and there's going to be a pretty good spread here. As you can see, 80 to 88 is the spread in temperatures from northwest to southeast, and that's because the areas further south are not going to get into any of this rain here on Tuesday. So any of those clouds and showers that pop up, they're going to be diurnally driven on Tuesday. Will be a little more common up further north, and that's why your temperatures are going to be limited in those particular areas. But then I think by the time we get to Wednesday, we're back to mostly sunny skies. Both Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be upper 80s to near 90 once again as we get to both Wednesday and Thursday. I think Thursday is actually a better chance of hitting 90, and not just down by Philadelphia, but areas outside the urban corridor as well. So a couple hot days coming up to the end of the week, and I think that is going to culminate here on Friday as being the hottest remaining day of this entire stretch. We do have a cold front that's going to come through here on Friday itself. It's just a weak front. Could touch off an isolated afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm once this moves through. It's not. It's a cold front technically, but it's not. Again, not a real big cold push of air behind this. So once we get to Saturday and Sunday, right now we're going to go with partly cloudy skies. System off to our south, we'll have to keep an eye on. It's getting awfully close to our southern points here on both Saturday and Sunday, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But elsewhere, it looks like it's going to be a partly cloudy weekend is what we're looking at for right now, and temperatures that are going to be in the mid to upper 80s both days. Not quite as hot as the Wednesday through Friday time period will be, but still slightly warmer than average for this time of year in the mid to upper 80s. That's still warmer than it should be right now by a couple degrees. So we'll continue to watch this at this end of the week and weekend system here. Make sure this thing stays off or south. A lot of you are looking for rain, and I get that. So maybe it's not going to be so unfortunate if it does come over the weekend and gives us some rain, because otherwise this is going to be a pretty prolonged dry stretch again coming up, where we have this system today and then maybe a little bit northern areas on Tuesday, and then we have just isolated chances here on Friday with the next front. So it doesn't look like abundance there. But as that front moves through, there could be low pressure moving along that boundary, at least for our southern areas that could threaten at least Sunday. It looks like Sunday is probably the better day for that to occur. Here's Sunday. Right there, southern areas it's showing here on the European model. It should be noted, though, the GFS is further south with it, so don't get your hopes up just yet. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 22nd, 2022. Have a great Monday.